stores. Now let us see unit menu. Unit master, where the measure of units such as bottles, or can type the measures liters, centimeters. On clicking list, these are the created unit items. Unit conversion. Unit conversion, see, in unit conversion we will be having main unit, subunit and common factor, where dozen consists of 12 pieces, ton consists of 1000 kgs. You can define your own unit conversion. For example, let's create an unit conversion. Let's take main unit as meters, subunit of centimeters and factor of 1000, and save it. This will create your own unit conversion. Bill sundries. Bill sundries are for taxation. These are the predefined taxes that are being given by BUSY, and here are the details where you can manually configure accordingly, and list of forms. You can create different forms that you need to submit. These are all the predefined forms that are given by BUSY. Sales types. Sales types consist of local sales and central sales, where you will be configuring related sales types, taxation types, regions, and tax calculation in percentage, whether they are related to stock or others. Similarly, with purchase type, you can add, modify and list. These are the different purchase types which are being given by BUSY default. If there are any changes, you can modify them. Now let us see in the next menu, configuration, which consists of these. On clicking features options, you'll be having 4 tabs: general tab, accounts tab, inventory, sales tax and VAT. In general, you'll be having these options. Under accounts, you need to check these enabled checkboxes. Under inventory, these are the disabled fields. You can enable accordingly to your inventory management. Coming to sales tax and VAT, these are the details of the sales tax and VAT. You can configure configuration window. Accordingly, you can configure hardware configuration. Hardware configuration consists of printer, line numbers per page, and the details of the printout. Masters configuration. Masters configuration for accounts, item and material center. Select the related masters type and your display options and save that. Voucher configuration. Voucher configuration consists of sales, purchase, sales returns. Defaultly main, you can create other type of vouchers with these details, numbering format information. Select accordingly to your vouchers and save the changes. See, you can modify the voucher types which you have created and delete them. Defaultly, every voucher series has main warning alarms which are set when accounts are negative or inventory goes low. You can set the warning levels. One for negative cash at the time of startup, which helps you in maintaining your accounts. Maximum entries in an voucher. You can specify accordingly to your convenience and depending upon your printer capacity. Users. Number of users, those are going to use this Busy software can be created, modified. Here is the list. Next option is change financial year. You can change current financial year by clicking these options. Defaultly, few ledger values are carried forward to the next financial year. All you need to do is select the financial year and click on start, which will be creating financial year. Here you can have previous year as well as next year. You can go backward and forward. Now let us see the transaction menu. Transaction menu. In every option we'll be having three options: add, modify, list. On clicking list, will be displayed all the list of vouchers that are contained in a particular menu. Sales. Now let us see sales voucher. On clicking add, you will be displayed with the sales voucher where you will be specifying series, date of voucher, voucher number, sales type, party, cash sales, material center, and the narration, and the items that are being sold. Bill sundries are the taxes, discount, other round of facilities that are billed. Finally, save the sales voucher. This shows print option where a printout of invoice is needed. If it's needed, click yes, else click no. On clicking list, will be displayed with the sales vouchers that are being registered on a particular day or for a month. Purchase. Click on list to view the purchase details. If you want to add purchase voucher, click on add, which pops up this window where you need to enter series, date of purchase, voucher number, purchase type, party, cash or credit, narration, items purchased, quantity, price, amount, and bill sundries. Finally, save the purchase voucher. Sales tax details are popped up where you need to enter bill number, purchase date. On clicking list, you will be displayed with all the purchase vouchers that are being entered to and from dates. Similarly with sales returns and purchase returns, payments. In payments window, you will be entering the debit account and the debit amount, credit amount and credit account type, and a narration for this transaction. On clicking list, you will be displayed with the transactions and payments that you made on a particular day. Similarly with receipts journal, you need to enter the voucher series, date, debit account, credit account with their respective amounts. BC will not accept without entering the amount